Hi guys! Welcome back to Elsa's story. Today, the package I had
been waiting for is
arrived. So,
drumroll.
it's the coffee pot and the coffee grinder, guys. I bought it from Shopee. So they have like a package that they're giving tote bag for free. So cute. So here is the package.
And here's the grinder. You know, if you want to see the product properly, just go on the website. I'm not going to show it here, but yeah, it is. And obviously, have instruction in Italian and other languages. Hopefully, there is an English version in it. They should.
I read the instruction for a bit, but just give it and watch YouTube instead. So let's see. Finger crossed. Also, guys, I recommend this.
Tupperware, air pressure, so good.
Also, like the guy from YouTube say to measure the right amount of coffee to use. Oops. The filter and then just do it like this. Let's grind. Imagine I have to do this like every morning before I go to work. What time do I have to wake up?
I'm not a morning person.
Like, definitely not a morning person. I think it would take me forever to do this. I'm sorry guys, I'll wake you up when I'm done. Sneak peek. I can't see anything, but smell very nice. Okay, a lot of them. It take me about like 2 minutes to do this. Oh, I'm tired. No, but I'm tired. No, it's not done. This is my midday cardio. Oh my goodness.
Finally, and then you just take it little.
Thing off. I don't know if it should be like this. It's my first time too, so. Anyways, the YouTube guys say to pour water in this. The instruction. The instruction
Say to like pour like a room temperature water or cold water, but YouTube guys say to pour the heat water because it makes the coffee look bitter. So be right back.
I see why they say to put a room temperature water or cold because it's freaking hot to carry this stuff with hot water in it. Guys, anyways,
Next is to put coffee in it. Should be just perfect. Okay, it's not perfect, guys. You know what? Nothing is perfect in this world, okay? Imperfection is perfection. Anyways, the guys say do not press it too much, just make it a smooth surface. And the grind is fine, you don't have to be too, I don't know this word, whatever, but you know what I mean. But yeah, but do not press, like do not do the hard press, that's what they say. Anyways.
I am a messy person. Okay, after that, you just make sure you put this back and make sure that it's tight. Otherwise, the water pressure is just gonna boom explode. You know what? I'm gonna be right back after I try to do this without burning my hand. So right now I'm in the kitchen and this is good tight. Anyways, the YouTube guys say to put it on low heat.
Okay.
You know what okay, you know what happened? They say the first time when you use it, you do not put the coffee in it first, just like water and let the pressure clean the whole pot. And I forgot that and I put the coffee in and I can't take it out. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna, do it just for the sake of demonstrate. Yeah, people have imperfection. I can't even say the word. This is how you know when it's done. When it's done, it's gonna not done. Okay, it's not done. Sorry. Okay, this is how you know how it's done. YouTube guy recommended to pour it right away and don't leave the coffee in the pot for too long. Otherwise it will oxidize and then leave marks on your beautiful pot. So you want to clean it right away and don't want to leave coffee in there. I want to try it, but as I make a mistake, I wouldn't, but smell good. So one last trick before I go. The YouTube guy said to store this separately so you don't ruin the filters, it lasts longer. Okay, thank you for watching and bye.